Alright, a very quick video here on the Ruger Mark II assembly slash disassembly, or disassembly slash assembly. Anyway, I've heard countless stories of people who took it apart and could never get it back together again. I know of a guy right now who's selling one because it took him 2 hours to figure out how to put it back together and he's tired of it. It's not that hard, it's very easy, it shouldn't take more than a minute. And that's if you're fumbling around with it a little bit. So anyway, here is my Mark II. It has a very broken Burris Fastfire on it. It is unloaded, clear, and everything. So we're going to go ahead and get started. If you want, go ahead and start a stopwatch. I don't need one because I have a little timer here. But anyway, so first thing you're going to do, make sure it's fireable. Pull the trigger, okay? Then grab this little tab right here, pull down, get it like that, pop it out like that. Pull your upper receiver off this way, then you can go ahead and get the bolt out. Put it back together, do the opposite. Put it on, pull it forward, make sure your bolt's in this little guy here. I put my thumb up here and just kind of get that lined up, that little pole lined up there, and then it should just come right straight up and in, and then make sure it drops all the way flush here. Now this is where you're going to take it, you're going to rock it back, pull the trigger. There's going to be a little bar that drops down and it engages with this spring in this housing. Make sure it doesn't fall all the way forward. If it falls all the way forward, this guy here, then you're stuck, it's not going to work. But if it's sitting out about 1/8 of an inch, that's what you want. Rock that up, locks into place, cocks, and fires. Very easy. I know that took longer than a minute because I was sitting there talking to you about it, but it's super easy. Don't get rid of these. They're great pistols. They're not that hard to take apart, and they do run much better when they're nice and clean.